Hi, everyone. This is Trusted Plumbing and Heating. Today, we're answering a question many homeowners have: how to get air out of water lines. If you're hearing gurgling sounds or your faucet sputters before running smoothly, chances are you have air trapped in your water pipes. This is pretty common after repairs or changes in water pressure, and it can lead to weak water flow or other plumbing issues. A simple way to fix minor air pockets is first to turn off your main water valve. Then, open every faucet in your home, starting from the top floor and working down. Once every faucet's open, turn the main valve back on and let the water run for a few minutes. This helps push out any trapped air in your pipes. If you still notice a problem after this, such as low pressure or leaks, it may be time to call a professional. At Trusted Plumbing and Heating, we're here to make sure your water lines are working smoothly. We can remove trapped air, check for leaks, and keep your plumbing system running great. If you're still struggling with air pockets or want fast professional service, give us a call today or visit trustedplumbingheating.com. We're always happy to help keep your home comfortable. Thanks for watching, and remember, for any plumbing needs, Trusted Plumbing and Heating is just a call or click away.